Once again, welcome back to the mathematics, ICSE Mathematics, class 10th. Today, I am going to start a new chapter. In this session, I am going to start a new chapter, that is quadratic equations. In the previous classes, you learned about linear equations. So, ax plus by is equal to c. Ax plus by is equal to c. This form is nothing but a linear equation standard form. Here, the power of the variables will be always equal to 1. The power of the variables is always equal to 1. That type of equations are called linear equations, and we solved the problems based on the linear equations. Correct? But in 10th standard, we are going to learn about the quadratic equations. So, what is meant by quadratic equation? The equation of the form ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. See, observe here the power of the variable. Highest power should be equal to 2. Isn't it? Highest power should be equal to 2. Then only it is called quadratic equation, where a, b, c are real numbers and a should not be equal to 0. If a is equal to 0, it becomes linear equations for them again. So a should not be equal to 0. So what are real numbers? Real numbers include rational and irrational numbers. What is meant by roots of a quadratic equation? A number alpha is called the roots of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. When it is called roots, when it satisfies the equation, that means LHS should be equal to RHS. I will give one example to understand this. Suppose one equation is there, x square minus x minus 12 is equal to 0. It is a quadratic equation. It is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Suppose I will take x is equal to 4. Whether it satisfies the equation or not, we will see it. 4 square minus 4 minus 12 is equal to 0. This implies 16 minus 4 minus 12 is equal to 0. 16 minus 16. 16 minus 16 is equal to 0. That means LHS is equal to RHS. That means this 4 is called the roots of the quadratic equations. Understood now? Suppose a number which satisfies the equation, then it is called the roots of the quadratic equation. Understood? So what is the roots of the equation? The equation, a number which is called roots of the equation, if the LHS of equation should be equal to RHS of the equation, that is LHS should be equal to RHS. 0 is equal to 0. What is solution set? The set of elements represents the roots of quadratic equation. It may be sometimes we may get 2 because the power is of the quadratic equation is 2. The result will be 2. One is plus and one is minus. So the results of the quadratic equations are sets of elements which is representing the roots of the quadratic equation is called the solution set. The solution set. Understood? It may be positive or it may be negative. So such type of set of elements are called, which are representing the roots of the equation, is called solution set. In quadratic equation, we will follow zero product rule. So let a and b are two real numbers. The product of two real numbers is equal to 0. That means a is equal to 0 or b is equal to 0. So we are equating the first term of the product of is equal to 0 or second term of the product is also equal to 0. A is equal to 0 or b is equal to 0. So remember the standard form of the quadratic equation. So we are solving the quadratic equation by two methods. One is factorization method and second one is formula method. At first, now we will discuss how to solve the quadratic equation using the factorization method. Okay, children? Oh, we will see now. No need to copy these points, just you have to remember these points. So now we will solve the quadratic equation using the first method, that is factorization method. First exercise, exercise number 5a. First question, find which of the following are the solutions of the equation or roots of the equation. That we have to check. First, 6x square minus x minus 2 is equal to 0. They are given the equation, quadratic equation. And they are given the three questions. One, 1 by 2, second, minus 1 by 2, third, 2 by 3. Which of these rules which satisfies the given equation? So what is the given equation? 6x square minus x minus 2 is equal to 0. Correct? Now we will discuss one by one. First, so here x is equal to, they are saying 1 by 2. Okay? We will substitute this value in the given equation. Whether we will see it is LHS is equal to RHS. 6 into 1 by 2 whole square minus 1 by 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. 6 into 1 by 2 means the whole square means 1 by 4 minus 1 by 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. 2 2s, 2 3s. 3 by 2 minus 1 by 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. What is the LCM? 2 is the LCM. 3 minus 1, 4 is equal to 0. 3 minus 1 is 4 minus 4 by 2 is equal to 0. This implies 0 by 2 is equal to 0. This implies 0 is equal to 0. That means 1 by 2 is the solution set for the above equation, because it is satisfied above equation. Like that, you do second and the third. You check with the second and the third. Second and third question. Homework. Okay, children? So now we go down this sum. So second question answer I am giving as homework. Determine whether x is equal to minus 1 by 3 and x is equal to 2 by 3 are the solutions of the equation 9x square minus 3x minus 2 is equal to 0. You have to check how I did in the first sum. Same method you have to follow for the second sum. Now turn your page to page number 44. It says solve the following equation by factorization. Third one is 16x square is equal to 25. 16x square is equal to 25. So therefore, what is x square? X square is equal to 25 by 16. Correct? What is x? X is equal to plus or minus root of 25 by 16. So what is the square root of 25? 5 plus or minus 5 by 4. So square root of 16 is 4. There are two results here. See, one is plus 5 by 4 and second one is minus 5 by 4. Therefore, what is the solution set here? Solution set is equal to plus 5 by 4 minus 5 by 4. Understood now? So this is how we can solve the sum. Now we will come to the fourth sum here. What is the fourth sum says? X square plus 2x is equal to 24. X square plus 2x is equal to 24. Write it in the standard form. x square plus 2x minus 24 is equal to 0. Now we have to do the factorization. If you take any two numbers, the product of the two numbers should be equal to 24, and sum or addition or subtraction of the two numbers should get the middle number. So 6 4s are 24. 6 into 4, 24. Correct? 6 4s are 24. So what plus sign is here? Plus sign. So plus minus, because plus 6x minus 4x becomes plus 2x, plus into minus minus. 6 4s are 24. So sign should be very careful here. So what is the sign with the middle number? That sign should come first. Correct? Now I will make 2x, I will split into two numbers. That is x square plus 6x minus 4x minus 24 is equal to 0. So I split it into two parts. What is common here? X is common. X plus 6. What is common here? Minus 4 is common. X plus 6 is equal to 0. X plus 6 into x minus 4 is equal to 0. So 0 product rule. So product of A and B is equal to 0 means A is equal to 0 or B is equal to 0. This implies x plus 6 is equal to 0 or x minus 4 is equal to 0. This implies x is equal to minus 6 and x is equal to 4. So this is a solution set. So what is the solution set? X is equal to minus 6 comma 4, or we can say they are the roots of the equations. Roots of the equations. So note down these sums. So question number 5 and 6 I am giving homework. 7th one I am giving x square minus 7x plus 10 is equal to 0. It is already in the standard form. We have to solve the sum using factorization. So 10 means 5 to the 10 is there. So 5 to the 10. 5 plus 2, 7. Correct? 10, this is plus 10, therefore 5 and 2 minus. Because if I add minus 5 minus 2, I will get minus 7. If I multiply minus into minus plus 5 to the 10. So I will split the middle number into two parts. X square minus 5x minus 2x plus 10 is equal to 0. So x minus 5 minus 2 common, again x minus 5 remains 0. So x minus 2 is one factor and x minus 5 is another factor is equal to 0. 0 product rule. X minus 2 is equal to 0 or x minus 5 is equal to 0. This implies x is equal to 2 comma x is equal to 5. So what is solution set? Solution set is equal to 2 comma minus 5. That is a solution set for the equation. So 8th, 9th also I am giving as homework. 8th and 9th. 8th, 9th homework. I am doing the 10th one. 3x square is equal to 5x. 3x square is equal to 5x. Bring into standard form. 3x square minus 5x is equal to 0. What is common here in this? X is common. 3x minus 5 is equal to 0. This implies 0 product rule. x is equal to 0 or 3x minus 5 is equal to 0. This implies x is equal to 0 or 3x is equal to 5. This implies x is equal to 5 by 3. So there are two solution sets. Therefore, solution set is equal to 0, 5 by 3. So this is question number 10. Question number 10. So tomorrow, not tomorrow, in the next session, I will start with question number 11. Okay? Note down this.